Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soaps. Today we are going to be working on some Loofah soaps using melt and pour. Some of the melt and pour is going to be clear, and then some is going to be the shea butter melt and pour base. Here's our little loofah here. And I just get the loaves of loofah and I cut them up to size. So just to get started, I'm not doing a full batch of the honey almond. Just because I'm going to set some aside for me. And then my other two batches we're going to do today is the coconut and the blackberry amber. So I'm just going to show you this batch and then we'll speed through the other two batches, but we're doing 3 today. So right now we're working on the honey almond. And let's see. The fragrance is Nature's Oil. I already have my base here melted down. And then in a little cup here, I am going to use a little bit of Yellow Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap. And then some gold dust. And then a very little bit of the bronze brown mica. All of these are from Nurture Soap. I want just a tad bit of that. I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to mix this up. Out of the way. I'm just going to stir it with my pipette here. It looks like there is going to be a little bit of a skin. I'm going to add some more mica here. Do a little more gold dust. Okay, so now I'm going to take my tray here on a weighted scale so that I am measuring out each cavity with the same amount of our soap here. Spray with rubbing alcohol just to pop any air bubbles. Then I'm going to spray on the loofahs. My melt and pour is a little too cool, so next time I won't leave it as long to cool. Okay, so we are done with the honey almond loofahs, and next we're going to do the Blackberry Amber loofah soaps and then our coconut loofah soaps, and I'll just speed you right through those. are back to unmold these Loofah soaps. It's been about, let's see, about 3 hours we've let these set up. So these are the Blackberry Amber Loofah soaps. Let's see if y'all can see that. These smell really good. Really like that smell. And what we'll do is we will shrink wrap these and then use a sticker label on them. Alright, these are the coconut loofah soaps. And as you saw, we did a brown layer and then we did a white layer on these. I like how that one turned out. Smell good. Now it's time to unmold the honey almond. Oh yeah, you can see the shimmer in that. Alright, and then the last ones are the honey almond ones that I made for myself. I like that. I don't know why there we go. Pretty neat. Alright, I've got a market this weekend and we'll be doing a deal on loofah soaps. So that's why I stocked up and did a little bit of extra. I like these flowers. Alright, so those are the loofah soaps. Let's see. Is here. Alright. We will see y'all on the next video. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more. And we'll see you next week. Have a good one.